Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to change your two-step verification password in Telegram using the latest update. This is a quick and important way to keep your account secure and under your control. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to update your security settings. Once you're inside the app, look for the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. It appears as 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that menu to open your options. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your account, including privacy and security. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to protect your account. Now, find and tap on two-step verification. If you've already set up a password before, this is where you can update it. Tap on Change Password to begin the process. Telegram will guide you through a few simple steps. Enter your new password carefully. Make sure it's something strong but easy for you to remember. After that, confirm your new password by typing it again. You'll then have the option to add a hint. This is optional, but it can be helpful in case you forget your password later. Just make sure the hint doesn't reveal the actual password. And that's it. Your new two-step verification password is now set. Your account is more secure and you're in full control. Keeping your password updated is a smart habit, especially when it comes to protecting your personal data. Thanks for watching.